everyone, hope you're all doing great. In this video, I want to show you how you can use the email verification field. So I will create a form that will ask the user to read the terms and conditions, which is linked to my website, my webpage that includes the terms and conditions, and ask them to consent to the terms and conditions. Then it will show the email verification to make sure that the user is verified, and then I will collect their data like their name, email, etc. So to get started, I will create a new Formaloo. I'll name it terms and conditions. So here, to add my terms and conditions, I will add a new section field. I can leave this empty and put my title here. So to link my text here for terms and conditions, you can select it. And here you should select the link button and put your link here. Yeah. And you can change its color, of course. And I'll make this part in H2, or you can select from here in H1 to be bigger. You can change its font size, etc. Or you can add photos and things like that. So here is my section field, and then I will add a multi-choice. So here we have a checkbox that the user can select to accept the terms and conditions, and I will make it required, so they have to do it. And then I will add a email verification field right here. And to make the email verification work and for our use case, I want it to be required because the user must verify themselves for submitting the form. And if they don't verify themselves, they cannot submit it. So here I have set up my form. I'll save it and open it. So here we have it, and I will put a logic so the user doesn't see this, see the email verification first. To do that, I will put an if else here, and if they accepted the terms and conditions, I want to show the verify your email. And there we go. If I check this, they will see this, and if I uncheck it, it will ask me to check it because otherwise I cannot submit the form. So yeah, and both fields are required. So for the sake of this tutorial, I won't add any logic, and I will see all my fields all at once. So I want to show other fields when the user has accepted the terms and also has verified their email. So I'll do it in a separate form. I'll just go back to my folder, add a new Formaloo, make it single step for the sake of this video. So I've created a simple form here, which asks for the user's full name and email. Look how it is. Yeah, it's a very simple form. And I want to redirect the user after they have accepted my terms and they have verified the email address to this form. So I'll copy this and go to my first form and go to the settings tab, and in the redirect URL, I will put my put the URL address of the second form. So I'll save it. And what other thing I want to do is I want to send data from this form to the second form. So I have all my data in one place. So I will click on each of my fields. In the ID box of each field, I will put an ID so they can be identified. Remember that you cannot put space in the ID box, and you can separate them by underline. So this is it. I'll save my form, and in the settings tab also, I will I will enable this checkbox so that I send data to the redirect URL. So this way, the data of terms and conditions and also the data of verified email will be redirected to my second form, and all data will be stored in one place. So here we go. And in my other form, in my second form, I will put hidden fields with the same IDs. So this one here had accept terms. So I will put the same ID here. The user accepted terms. And another hidden field for the second field, verified email. The user verified their email. And so I save it here and let's test it out. So this is my first form. I accept the terms. And as you see, these can be opened. If you want to open them in a new tab, you can do it in the settings of your field, section field. Here, when you select this, you can click on the link button here and select the new window. So when you save and go to your form again, this will open in a new tab. So I will accept the terms and conditions and let's verify our email. So here we go. And here we copy this part and paste it here. It will verify my email there. And here we go. Now I can submit my form there and it will redirect to the second form. And when I enter my info here and submit, now let's go to the dashboard, to the responses tab and see how it's filled. So here I have my second form. I'll go to the results tab, responses, and here we go. I have my data as well as the user's verification and acceptance data. So the user has accepted the terms and conditions, and also they have verified their email address here. And if you go to the results of your first form as well, you will see that, yeah, their email has been verified and also they have accepted. So this is how it's done. I hope this video was useful to you. And if you had any questions, just comment below this video. Or if you had any issues, ping us in our website's chat box and we'll get back to you. So have an amazing day and bye for now.